Welcome to my drawing advent calendar. Every day until Christmas you'll get a drawing tip or a little mini drawing lesson. Click on the bell to be reminded. Have fun and a wonderful holiday season. In today's drawing lesson here I will show you how to draw water with pastels. Yes, I find it interesting to draw waters. You can use water as backgrounds for your animal portraits, and yes, it's interesting to practice it. So let's start. First, let's map in some of those waves, of those shadow, those darker parts of the waves. So let's start mapping in here some shapes here, some wavy shapes. You can see a lot of waves in the water and lots of little curvy lines and so on. Then let's map in blue. Then let's map in a little bit blue here between. Blend all these first layers here together with your finger or with a paper stamp or a paper issue. Just mapping in a little bit of the pastel pigment here. Then let's use a cold gray or a light blue and add around those shadow areas here, those waves, some lighter lines here. They can go here around. You can see here those reflections, and they can go here in shapes of little waves. Blend them together. Most times here on top of the waves there are the light reflections. So let's bring in here some of those lighter parts. And then we will start build up lots of details, lots of reflections. Let's bring in again dark blue. So here in the back you can add smaller little wavy lines and so on. Blend them. You can use a paper stamp for blending too. So blend those darker areas here a little bit together with the middle blue. You can also add a little bit of, for example, a lighter yellow. Often you can see the sun. The sun is reflecting in the water, or other reflections, or you can bring in a little bit of skin color. The edges of these reflections should not be too sharp. That should be really soft, so blend it well. We can go in with a little bit of black as well to darken those waves here a little bit. Let's bring in here a little bit of contrast and some of those tiny waves here in the back. We can also bring in a little bit of cardboard mortum. Work again with the dark blue. Yes, and so you can work and build here your water. Bring in a little bit of white for the highlights as well here. Let's bring in here some white. So bring in white here again, always on top and around of those waves. Also here. Let's soften the whole water a little bit with a blue. Bring in here a little bit of the blue again. Yes, and so you can build up the water structure. I will add a little bit of the light blue of the Capputello too. Let's bring in here some very fine waves and a little bit of the light blue again, so you can work around and add some details and new reflections and so on. Also you can can bring in darker reflections again, shadows. Okay, yes, let's add a little bit of white again. Let's bring in here a little bit of contrast. Okay, we can refine it a little bit with the indigo. So you take a very sharp indigo blue and let's add here some very fine waves, so very thin, fine lines and strokes. So draw so little wavy darker lines. So let's add some little things here. And let's also add some little white. The foam we can see on the waves are all the light reflections again. Okay, so I want to use the paper stamp a little bit to blend some sections to make it a little bit smoother here and there. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this little water drawing today. Perhaps you can use it for your backgrounds or you draw it only for fun. So yes, wish you a nice day. See you the next time. I hope this mini drawing lesson was helpful for you. Tell me your experiences below in the comments. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. And then I invite you to join the waitlist to my drawing membership Animal Art Club. See the link in the description. And then see you tomorrow in the next video.